Hello everyone, it's Holly again. I'm filming on my phone today, so I apologise for the lesser quality, but my boyfriend's streaming, so I'm impatient and I wanted to film this video now. So, raise your hand if you had a mental breakdown in lockdown and bleached your hair. This girl. When we went into this third lockdown, which was by far the hardest, can I just add, I had a bit of a mental breakdown and felt disgusting. And what do we all do when we feel that way? We all decide that we're going to reinvent ourselves and dye our hair, which I did. Bleached it, even though I'd been growing it for a good couple of years and it was in great condition and it was quite a nice colour, I think, actually. I'll put a picture up here of what my hair used to look like. And now we have this yellow, rooty mess. So today you're gonna help me dye my hair. I'm going back to work tomorrow. I don't want to go back to work like this. It might not look that bad when it's up. I mean, it probably does. It's vile. So I went to the shop and I got Garnier Nutrice. Other brands are available. And I got the shade Nude Medium Blonde. I got this shade because my hair colour is actually a bit darker than this, but it is still blonde. So I was a bit nervous because you'll see in a minute my hair is very, very light from about an inch downwards. It's yellow, but it is still bleached. So I didn't want to risk going too dark, or I don't know. Anyway, if you want to see what happens in this video, then make sure you click like. And if you do like these kind of videos, and if you like my videos anyway, then please hit subscribe, because I just hit 100 subscribers and I am buzzing about it. Thank you very much. I'm so grateful. That might seem like a small number to some people, but my God, I am so excited. We've got our dye. We've got our Percy Pigs. First thing we need to do is get in our comfy clothes because your girl's messy. Let's do a Nikocado avocado transition. Ready?
You are disrespectful.
Okay, so got my comfy top on, got a ratty old towel that I use for cleaning my makeup brushes, put that on my lap. I've got a very, very professional setup here. I mean, I've got a flipping hair dye brush and a bowl, so you know it's gonna go well. So let's have a look at what's going on here. So as you can see, we got a lot of rootage, and then the rest of my hair is a disgusting yellow colour. So that's how much root I have. I wish you guys were actually here to help me, because I don't know whether I'm supposed to dye the roots first or the length first. So yeah, so we've got a lot of rootage. I dyed my hair pink a couple of months ago, and I think there's a bit of banding as well. Oh, you can see that. Oh dear. So it kind of goes, this is my natural colour. This is from where I dyed it pink, and then this is the bleach. It looks bad. Okay, so let's open our package. Option 1, I haven't coloured my hair for more than 3 months. Natural. Option 2, I colour my hair regularly. Restore hair and reveal a new colour. Here we go. What? Oh, okay, I need option 1. I'm doing a radical colour change. Apply using applicator bottle A. Begin with the roots. So I'm supposed to begin with the roots. Let me just move you over a bit, guys. So we're gonna dye the hair, and then I'm gonna put some makeup on because I look like crap right now, and I wanna feel good, you know. So that's what we're working with. So it says unscrew the cap from applicator bottle A. Open the colour cream tube B and remove the grey plastic ring. Screw the cap back on to pierce the chub. Squeeze the contents into I already know this stuff stinks of like ammonia. Then re-screw the cap and shake for 30 seconds to ensure an even mixture. Okay. Oh, see, even when it tells you it's not going to do that, it still does it. Right, gloves are going on. I usually only put one glove on, is that bad? Am I going to get like hair dye poisoning? Okay, here we go. Where's the brush? We have the brush. Meant to start from the roots. Oh, I think that might have been a bit too much. It's all going to be fine. My eyes burning. My eyes are burning. My
eyes are burning.
Apparently, this is how you section the hair, which I'm not doing a very good job. Let me know in the comments how many people have done their own hairdressing job in lockdown. Please let me feel like I'm not alone. Oh my god, what have you guys been watching in lockdown? That should be the question. Me and my boyfriend have been watching The Bachelor. It's just so funny.
Excuse me, princess, but the queen is here.
It can't go as bad as when I used to in school. Did anyone else in school used to bleach their hair and then put cling film around their head to make the bleach heat up? Whole head is covered, but there's still loads of dye left, so I'm just going to squeeze it all over my head. I would say that's pretty saturated, so I have to leave it on for 25 minutes, might leave it on for 30, and then I'll come back to you.
A few moments later.
We're back. I haven't looked at it. It might look a bit ginger, but we will see. So I'm gonna put some makeup on and then we'll see how she looks. We have it. What do you think? I definitely still have banding, but it's not as bad as it was. It's not yellow anymore. I think I prefer it to what it was, but I'm not, obviously. I just want to get my natural colour back because it was so stupid of me to bloody dye it in the first place. Yeah. That's what happened. That's going to be it for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you've come back and you're a subscriber, thank you so much. I'm so grateful for every single person who subscribes. And if you haven't, then thank you for clicking on this video anyway. And if you enjoyed it, please definitely subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of the hair. Should I give you a little side profile? I hope you're all practicing wellness, and I will see you in my next video.